my name is Kusum and I am going to read a story for you. The name of the story is When I Grow Up. Author Priyadarshini Gogai, illustrator Tariq Aziz. So the story goes this way. When I grow up, I will build many things. Big and small things, wild and amazing things. I will use science to build them all. First, I will build a bridge. After that, I will build a tall tower. And then, I will build the longest road in the world. It will start at my room and go up to the moon. When I will build this structure, I will be a civil engineer. I will build engines too. Some engines will be in rocket and some will be in planes. The plane will take us from country to country and the rocket will fly us all the way to the Mars. My Anadio will come with me on all my trips. When I will build flying engines, I will be an aerospace engineer. I will build a vehicle that travels under the sea. It will be made up of steel and aluminium. It will be very fast. We will swim with the fish, sharks and the whales. Anadio will say, "Slow down, Peppery," but secretly she will love it too. When I will build my submarine, I will be a marine engineer. But I won't stop at that. I will produce electricity from small particle. One tiny particle will light our whole village. Anadio will be so happy that she will throw a big feast. When I make power like that, I will be a nuclear engineer. I am not done yet. Next, I will build a robot. Her name will be Gogo. Gogo and I will have many adventures. We will paint the walls and do the dishes. We will catch Anadio many fishes. When I will build my robot, I will be a robotic engineer. Gogo and I will build a firewall. It will guard my computer and the internet from bad guys trying to steal other people's secrets. I will be a superhero. Anadio will be so proud. When I protect the internet, I will be a cybersecurity engineer. I will build machine to clean the sea and another to clean the air. The animal will be healthy and people will breathe easily. I will save the earth with my machine. When I make machine to clean the planet, I will be an environmental engineer. I will build a new ear for Pam Pam. She lost it in a fight, girl. Then I will build a new set of teeth for Anadio. Finally build wings for me. When I build artificial body, I will be a biomedical engineer. I will soar over the world looking for more things to build. I hope kids you enjoyed the story and now you know what are you going to become when you grow up. Thank you.